So I'm a 10-step routine kind of girl. But with my wedding coming up, I had to simplify my skincare routine. So in today's video, I'm sharing 5 low maintenance things I've been doing that still make me look super high maintenance. Obviously, without the hours of effort. I epilate once a month and that's it. Yes, it's painful, but it's so worth it. No salon visit, no shaving every few days. It keeps my skin hair free for weeks and I don't have to think about it again. And it's also cost effective as well. It is completely normal for your skin to look a little bit red just after you epilate your skin. So a quick tip from me would be to apply a calming cream or a healing ointment as soon as you epilate your skin to restore the skin barrier once again. This is one product that simplified my skincare routine but still gives result. I've been using the WishCare Super Bright C16 serums since it first launched. I have repurchased it countless times, and what I love is that it's not just vitamin C, it also has Kojic Acid and Niacinamide, so it brightens, fades acne marks and supports my skin barrier all in one step. I noticed a significant difference in just 14 days, especially in my pigmentation and dullness. Instead of layering 3 different serums, this one does the work. I love when brands put in effort to create truly effective formulas. It's such a time saver, especially when prepping for a wedding. Also, I really like the fact that it comes in a pump packaging. Not only this packaging is easier for you to travel with, but a pump packaging ensures that your product to actually stay stable and not change color. If you see your vitamin C changing color, just throw it in the trash. I have never faced any discoloration issue with this particular serum and I've used countless bottles of it and that says a lot. Now, I was scared of ice facials because of all of these derm influencers and I was fear-mongered of it. I always heard that icing your face actually ruins your skin barrier, but when I actually used it, the effect was phenomenal and completely opposite of what they were saying. But keep in mind, everyone's skin is different, but here is my take on ice rolling. You can obviously rub an ice cube on your face for a minute, but I've been using this product. This is a very affordable ice roller or face roller. This one doesn't explode like the other ones available in the market. This is very fuss-free. It has 2 sides, one for face, one for body. It depuffs, tightens, brightens, and honestly, it makes me look awake and glowy even on 5 hours of sleep, which is most of the days. It's a quick fix and it actually works for texture and dullness. Now, I've gone from a 10-step routine to just 5 products. That's a lot. This is my AM and this is my PM routine. A toner, WishCare Vitamin C Serum and a sunscreen for AM, and a brightening toner and a super hydrating moisturizer for the PM time. My skin feels calmer, clearer and glowier, especially of the multitasking skincare that I've been using currently. It's giving me the multi-action effect even on nights when I keep things minimal. Tinted sunscreen is one such product that I have been shying away for a while now, but once I tried it, it completely changed my routine. Instead of foundation, I've been reaching out with tinted sunscreen on most of the days. It gives me sun protection, evens out my skin and gives that no makeup glow instantly. A little bit of tint, some mascara and a lip combo would make you look so much presentable. So yeah, I have simplified everything, but I think these 5 steps or these 5 things that I've shared in this video, they kind of make me look more put together and presentable with minimal effort and make me look effortless. And if you are dealing with similar kind of pigmentation issues or uneven skin tone issues that I have, all of the tips that I mentioned in this video would be highly helpful. I've shared the cheapest link to buy all of the products mentioned in this video in the bottom box below, so make sure to check it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.